Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Robbins Plumbing, and today I want to talk to you about a hybrid water heater. And it's also known as a heat pump water heater. Just really depends on what part of the country you're in, whether it's a hybrid or a heat pump. We often refer to them over here on the West Coast as a hybrid water heater. And there are a lot of incredible benefits to upgrading to a hybrid water heater. And I want to cover a few of those with you today, because when you're purchasing a water heater, there are a lot of options out there. And we want to make sure that you're making an informed decision, where a hybrid water heater, while it can be an initial investment, like investments, it pays back, versus a standard water heater that's going to be a liability the entire time that you own it. It just is sitting there. So a hybrid water heater, it can pay you back, and that's very cool. So a hybrid water heater is so energy efficient. It is literally 4 times more energy efficient than a standard tank style water heater, very likely what you have in your garage today. I installed one in my home because there's nothing I would ever promote or educate on that I haven't tried myself. And my electric bill dropped like crazy. It was amazing. I'm like, take that, SRP. So a hybrid water heater, basically how it functions, without getting too much into the technical, we can certainly put all of the technical on our service page, all about hybrid water heaters. But a hybrid water heater operates with a heat pump on the top of it. And what it does, so this is very cool, is it sucks out hot air that's surrounding the water heater, so that ambient temperature, and it converts it into hot water. And then it discharges cooler air. That's just so cool to me. So rather than operating on 100% electricity that's heating 2 elements, it is taking what we in Arizona have an abundance of, hot air, and it's converting it into hot water. So that's where the energy efficiency comes from. It's so energy efficient that, in fact, so translating it, let's say for every $1 that you spend on heating water for a hybrid water heater, you can expect to get $3.50 to $4 worth of hot water from that investment. So it pays you back very quickly. The average savings nationwide on a hybrid water heater is about $450 a month, or a year, I'm sorry. So that adds up pretty quick. Honestly, I didn't even know I was spending that much heating my water. I just knew that every month I was getting a huge bill, and I always attributed it to the AC. But it turns out that on average, 25% of your electric bill is spent heating water. In fact, your water heater uses more electricity than your dishwasher, your washing machine, and your dryer and your refrigerator combined. That's nuts to me. I'm like, just to heat water. But take a cold shower and you'll pay it. But the thing that I love most, while I am absolutely in love with the energy savings that I have, and that my heater's basically already paid for itself as far as the upgrade in the 2 years that I've had it, is the ease of its use. So it's connected to an app on my phone, and it sends me alerts that, hey, it's time to pay attention to me. Or I can adjust the temperature from my phone easily with an app. That's very cool. It's the only hybrid water heater on the market is app connectivity, is the water heater that we sell. So if I'm going on vacation, I can easily, with my phone, set it to vacation mode, and I'm literally spending pennies while I'm gone, maintaining the temperature of the water heater so it's not becoming stagnant, temperature, and it can, breed diseases, that kind of thing. I absolutely love the electric bill that I get now. If I could just convert my AC to a hybrid, that would be so cool. It's something that has really made an impact on us financially as far as our monthly bill, and that investment up front as far as the cost versus a standard water heater versus a hybrid water heater, it was a little bit, but I almost immediately got that back in the savings that I saw. Awesome, just awesome savings on my electric bill. I also love that it comes with a 10-year warranty on the water heater and on the parts out of the box. That doesn't happen with a standard tank. So even with a standard tank, if you buy an extended warranty, so let's say you are at a hardware store and you see, 6-year warranty, 10-year warranty, 12-year warranty. Ultimately, what you're paying for is the same water heater, but with an extended warranty. Like when you go to an electronics store and they're like, do you want the extended warranty? Nothing changed, the product's still the same. Where with a hybrid water heater, the components have been upgraded so much on the interior of this that they're backing a 10-year warranty on the tank and a 10-year warranty on the parts. You can't even buy an extended warranty on parts on a standard tank. So this thing out of the box is just a beast. The pros that I have experienced, well worth the investment. I have certainly had my investment paid back already. It is very cool that when I walk into my garage and the water heater is running, it's cooler in my garage than normal. So I actually took a temperature reading and mine was discharging air at 58 degrees. I was like, oh, that's awesome. So obviously it's not gonna cool your garage like an AC unit would, but it can definitely drop that temperature by a couple of degrees while it's running. And then I've really enjoyed just having it on 100% hybrid mode, meaning I'm not running electricity to elements. I'm just 100% right now because it's so warm, letting the ambient temperature heat my water. So I get home at night and showers and all of that good stuff, and it was practically free. In fact, I will tell you, I totally cheat. And I drained my water heater into my pool a couple of times at the beginning of the season. So I'm starting pool season before my neighbors. I think that's pretty cool. So if you have questions about the hybrid, it does come in multiple sizes. So it's really sized based on the usage that your family needs. And about the installation, because it doesn't install like a normal water heater. It is a custom installation because it does condensate. That heat pump condensates just like your AC unit does. So there are some, variables there, but give us a call. Ask all of your questions. We haven't had a client yet that just hasn't loved having the hybrid water heater. It's easy to maintain. It certainly pays itself back and it lasts a really long time. So I love being able to help clients be able to save their money for their family versus giving their money over to SRP or APS, and they didn't know that they were spending 25% of their electric bill just to make hot water. So I love the hybrid water heater. It's awesome. So if you want an education, you want a consultation from one of our technicians, absolutely give us a call, 623-486-4657, or you can chat with the office in our chat box at robinsplumbing.com, or of course email us through the website as well. So we look forward to your consultation and helping you to make an informed decision on your next water heater.